Did you know that a high number of people report poor sleep quality and that number jumps even higher among women, many of whom lie awake due to stress and overthinking? It's alarming, isn't it? Is there a way out? Let's find out. Welcome to She Knows on Wonder Woman Wednesday, and today we are diving deep into the world of sleep because getting enough rest is more crucial than you might think. We all know that sleep is important, but why is it so important? So, quality sleep isn't just about feeling rested, it affects everything from how our brain functions to our mood, our physical health, our skin, our hair. So, it's clear to be our best, we need to rest our best. Improving your sleep isn't as hard as it sounds, and there are always ways to try and find out if it's possible to improve the quality of sleep. Now, I'm going to share 5 simple steps that can make a huge difference in how well you sleep. You can try just one or all of them to find out what works best for you. First up is a soothing cup of nutmeg milk. Nutmeg is a natural relaxant known for its calming properties, and it contains compounds which helps you relax your muscles and nerves. Just a pinch in warm milk can help calm your nerves and improve your sleep quality, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. I have tried and tested this and it definitely works very well. Next up is pillow mist. Essential oils like lavender are not just pleasant, they actually play a significant role in enhancing sleep quality. Now, these aromas help trigger relaxation responses in the brain, reducing anxiety and making it easier to fall asleep. A simple spray on your pillow can transport you to a more sleepy state. Have I tried this? Yes, of course. Yuana Aromas Pillow Mist is what I had tried, and I was actually able to sleep well without waking up in the middle of the night, which used to be my habit. Just sprayed this on my pillow, left it for a few minutes, and then went to sleep. The link for the Yuana Pillow Mist is in the description. You can check it out, and you'll also get the 10% discount if you use the code WWW10. The third tip is, of course, our favorite, meditation. Engaging in meditation just before bedtime can affect your mental state. So it shifts your brain from the active, alert phases known as beta waves to the more relaxed alpha waves. And this transition is crucial for initiating the sleep process because alpha waves promote relaxation and reduce feelings of anxiety and stress. Just 5 minutes of guided meditation can help clear your mind of daily worries and prepare your body for sleep, making it easier to drift off and enjoy a deeper, more restorative sleep. Fourth tip is something that you may have heard multiple number of times from different people. Turn off those screens at least an hour before bed. So the blue light that is emitted by phones, tablets and computers can have a significant negative effect on your sleep. And this type of light tricks your brain into thinking that it's still daytime, which inhibits the production of melatonin, the hormone which is responsible for regulating sleep and wake cycles. By reducing screen time before bed, you help your body prepare for sleep naturally, ensuring a more peaceful and restful night. Lastly, stick to a sleep schedule. Consistency is the key. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day not only sets your body's internal clock, it also optimizes your sleep quality. And this regularity allows your body to predict and prepare for sleep, stabilizing your sleep patterns and making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Over time, a consistent sleep schedule can enhance your sleep efficiency, reduce nighttime awakenings, and improve the depth of your sleep. By aligning your sleep times with your body's internal clock, you can actually enjoy more restorative sleep and feel more refreshed and alert during the day. Now, implementing these steps can transform not just your nights but your days too, because better sleep equals a better you. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share this video and subscribe for more empowering content on Wonder Woman Wednesday. Got a sleep tip that works wonders for you? We would love to hear about it in the comments below. Until next time, keep resting, keep dreaming, and keep thriving.